Hi. Today we are going to do a Monster Jam Part 4. Yes. Like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Alright. So right now we've got a big ramp, rampity ramp, and we're gonna go up here and oh, I hit that. I hit that like van thing. Alright. We got some school buses. Excuse me. That was a pretty cool jump. Let's go again. Oh, right. I forgot. Oh, hold on. Oh, I just did that epic backflip. I'm going to try to get 1,000,000 points. If y'all haven't seen the last 3 videos and all that, they were actually really cool. Check them out. Oh, big boy ramp. The big boy ramp from the last video. If y'all remember. If y'all watched it. If y'all haven't, I'm disappointed. I really am. Zoom. Zoom. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh, come on. I did it. Oh my God, I did it. School bus. Ow. Why did I say ow? Oh well. I'll just go with it. Come on. Like and subscribe to my channel. And follow my TikTok account at Adrian's World 10. No spaces. It's pretty cool. No gappity cap. That was a cool ramp. Oh. Oh. Come on. Oh, I was on 2 wheels. And
I thought you'd be out there jumping your head off since Grandma cleaned that all up for you. It made it look beautiful.
that was my papa, in case y'all were wondering. Oh, I'm gonna go on another big boy ramp. Let's go. Oh, backflip time, backflip time. Bro, what the heck?
What the heck?
What was that?
What? I don't know. Tell me.
Come on, get up. I'm going insane. I'm going X Games mode. Oh, backflip. I'm going X Games mode. Oh my God, I'm going X Games mode. Oh. 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 I'm at 995,000. I've almost got this. Bro, I just need 5,000 more points.
Oh my God.
Oh, I just did a backflip. This is insane.
It's insane. It's crazy.
Facts. What he said.
Crazy insane.
Facts. Come on. Can this backflip finish it? Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Oh! I did it. I did it, guys. Look. Oh, sorry. Look, I got 1,000,000 points. What's up? All right.
You got 1,000,000 points?
Uh-huh. And that's my papa. Peace out, like and subscribe. Peace out, like and subscribe. Follow my TikTok account, Adrian's World. Son, no spaces. And bye-bye. Subscribe. Bye-bye. All right, bye-bye.